So I'm here in Eugene, Oregon, home of the Ducks, University of Oregon. Now, what else can you expect when you come to Eugene, an hour and a half off the coast of Oregon? Exactly, great fresh seafood. That's because they got this joint, Fisherman's Market.
Every time I come in here, they'll be bringing fresh fish in, you know, whether it's gonna be salmon or albacore or halibut.
They're live right there, they cook them right there, and they serve it right here. And I eat it.
Ryan, he just is an expert on fish.
That's because Ryan Rogers is the real deal. Hardcore fishing in Alaska for decades, while running this joint since '97. All the fish that's here is coming from...
Mostly all from Oregon.
You have all your buddies and all the hookups and...
Yeah.
It's like it was swimming yesterday.
Some of it still is.
You see the crab in the crab tank and then they cook it up for you fresh. It's just amazing.
Crab dinner with fries and slaw.
They cook the crab in a crab pot right out the front door. Can't get any fresher.
All right. Wow!
A little warm for you?
But that is hot crab. That's outrageous. Without question, the most seafood-flavored crab really, I think, has to be the Dungeness. Some lemon juice. I'll take a little dip in some butter. That's slaw. Nice crunch. Really refreshes the palate. That's the freshest experience you can get.
It's juicy, it's succulent. You don't even need the butter, it's so wonderful.
Dungeness crab dinner.
Dungeness crab is especially sweet.
And it's got such a really good flavor. You can't get it fresher.
I like the Fisherman's Market because there's just nothing else like it. It's extremely unique.
Kind of a crazy place. You got tanks making noise and coolers and people buying fish. Dudes cooking right there.
It's different food than you can get from anywhere else.
You can get fish and chips with any kind of fish?
Any kind of fish.
Seriously?
Yep.
Can't get bored. You can always try something new.
The Cajun Crawfish pie.
Time for pie.
What's that you're putting on top?
Sour cream.
And what do you have over here on the salad?
We got smoked salmon, house salad.
Dude, that's outrageous. You smoked this in-house?
Of course.
You're so gangster. Let's look at this. Great crust, not soupy, not too thick, tender. They're as tender and succulent, and the texture of them is awesome. I didn't know about this sour cream thing you're doing, but it's excellent. This is crazy, man.
It's perfect. Just enough spice to have a little kick.
This is to die for. It's so flaky.
It just can't get any fresher unless you caught it yourself.
If I'm hungry, I just say, we're going here.
This is a full seafood culinary experience. From the live tanks to the fresh seafood market, doing the food, dishes like that. How much do you think we can fit in the back of that car? You know, I'm only about 8 hours away from my town. Ice it up.